Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So as you can see, at the first we have to prepare good source of lights. We have to clean that mess that we have on the display. So that's the first thing. Next we have to open a box with tempered glass, and inside we will find glass. And also two wipes, wet and dry. Let's open wet at the first, and unfortunately this wipe is not wet. So how we can make it wet? Simply use something like the window cleaner and apply it a little bit on the wipe. When you make it, you can finally start with cleaning your screen. So we have to reach a very corner and the very edge. Okay, right now it's finished. Take a look. It looks definitely better. Next, open dry wipe. And do the same. Okay, and as you can see right now it looks really good. It's really good condition, so we can simply remove that foil that is attached to the glass. Take it off, and right now just put glass on the display like that, and keep holding the bottom part. For example, we can make it just like that. Try to put it in the same position on the both sides, and when you are sure that everything is fine, you have to keep hold here and then put the bottom part like that. And as you can see, that's how it goes. When you got something like air bubble, you can remove it simply by moving to the one of the edge with your finger or with any other tool. Just like that. And right now we have to also use this dry wipe and press on your screen to get it stick better. Okay, and as you can see right now it is finished, so we can turn on our screen and just simply use our device. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.